Okay, resume the recording. Okay, so now, okay na, so now td, another one is what, another section is what, tr, right? So come here, okay na, come here. So what we will do now, again tr, we will take the one more tr, right? Tr, right? Tr, right? Tr, okay, fine. Tr, one tr we created. Now inside that, which field we will take it, which field we will take, which field we will take, come here, right? What is that? Come on the diagram. What is that? Employee name, right? Employee name, right? Employee name. Okay, so okay, so what is that? td, employee name is what? Employee name is the table data, right? So td tag we will take. Okay, inside this td tag, what we will take? Employee name, employee name, right? Name. Okay, so name, employee name, right? So this is one only, right? Another one more field is there, right? So input, employee name also we have need to td, right? Td, inside that, what we will do now, inside that, what we will do now, we will take input, right? Input, inside that, what we will take input, inside that, what we will take input type equal to, right? Input type equal to text, right? And name, one more attribute we will take, right? Name, right? So now come to here on the browser and refresh it, you will see the another one also. See, employee name and one more field we got it, right? Employee field and one more field we got it, and right, and this is the css table data we write color colon what is green, right? So because of that, css things is there, right? This is the because of based on this one only, right? Based on this one only, these things is there. Okay, so now let's design one more things. Okay now, another one is what, another one is what, employee password is there, right? Employee password is there. Come again, what is that? Come again, what is that? td, right? Tr, right? Tr. Okay now, so this is the tr. Inside that, what we will do now, again come here, what is that? Td, inside that, what is that? Idiot. Why he is calling again and again? I said him ki I will call him. Okay, so okay, so now let's move on. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, now so okay, so uh, if any actually someone is calling on that, right, on my phone, because of that is happened. Okay, now voice is not clear. Now fine, right? Now fine, right? Let me know that. Let me know that.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, okay, so let's move on, and let's see that, right? Let's move on and let's see that. Okay, so now, okay now, so here what is that? Employee name is there, right? Employee name is there. Okay now, so come here, right? What is that? Employee password is there, right? Employee pass. Okay, so what is that? Inside that, what we will write? Employee, what is that? PESSWORD, fine. Password, right? Password. Okay, so this one. Okay na, another one more inside that, what is that? Td, what is that? What we have need? Td, right? So what is that? Come here, right? Inside that, what we will take? Input, right? Input input type equal to, here we will take the password, not text, because it will show that what is that password. We will take the password, right? So then it will show inside input star. Okay na, so now fine, okay na. So another one attribute is name, right? Another attribute is name, fine. Okay, so this much. Okay, come here. Okay na, come here. So let's refresh it and we will see that. Let's refresh. See, employee password. Here if we pass this one na, anything, it will come to dot, right? Here text, this is the text, then we can able to see the data, right? But here it dot means star is coming, right? So now fine, this much we given the design. Now this much design is completed now. Okay, okay, so this much design is completed now. Okay, so let's do the next things. Okay now, let's do the next thing. Come to here, what is that? Employee gender is there, right? Employee gender is there. So for that, how we can, again we will take one tr, right? Again we will take what? Tr tag, right? Inside that, what is that? Tr. Okay, so tr, fine, tr is completed now. Oh, okay, so now okay, So TR is completed. Okay, na? So TR is completed. Now table data. We need what is it? What is that TD table data, right? Table data. Okay. So now fine. Okay. So fine. So table data we taken. Okay. So now what we will do now inside that? What is that? Employee gender, right? Employee gender only we taken, right? Employee gender. Yeah. So what we will do now? Employee. What is that? Gender, right? Gender. So employee gender we taken. Okay, na? Employee gender we taken. Okay. So now, so another one more TD we need, right? TD, right? TD. Okay. So after then what we will do now? Inside that we will take radio button here. Inside that, what is that? Input type equal to what is that? Input type equal to what? Another attribute is what is that? Input type equal to what is that? Radio, right? Radio. We will take what is that? Radio. Okay, na? After then what we will do? Take name, right? Name. Okay, na? Name male. No. Name and value also we will take here, right? Value also take. Inside that male we will take male, right? Male. After then what we will do now? Here we will write male, male, right? After then one more input, same inside that one more input we will take, right? For the female purpose, what? Input type equal to what is that? Input type equal to what is that? Radio button, right? Radio. Oh, sorry, radio, right? Radio. Now another one is what? Another one is what? Name we will take, right? Name we will take. After then another one is what? Value. We will take value, right? Value. Inside that what? Female. We will take the female, right? Female. After then what? After then what we will do now? After then what we will do now? Female we are taking, right? So here we will write what is that? Female, right? Female. Yeah, fine. Female, right? Female. Okay, so now fine. The things is completed. You want to see that? Come here, refresh the browser. Come here, refresh the browser. See, two radio, employee gender, male and a female, right? Male and a female is came. Don't worry, it's selecting both, right? It's selecting both, but don't worry. In the future, I will tell why it's taking both, right? Why it's taking both, right? I will tell in the future. Okay, in the future I will tell, don't worry. Okay, na? I will resolve this problem. Okay, this is not issue. I know that why. If you want just pass in the here, what is that? Same name, just I'm passing here R, here also R, right? Here also I'm passing the R. That's it. Now refresh it and you can able to see that only one selection will be there. Now I'm selecting one. Now here, see, now the things is correct, right? Because of that we will pass the same name. Okay, na? I will tell why what. Okay, na? In the later I will tell. Okay. So another one is what? Employee address. But employee address in which where we are passing text area, right? Text area. Okay, na? So text area, come here, right? Come here again. What we will do now? TR. Okay, na? TR. Okay, fine. TR. Okay, so fine. TR. Okay, fine. So TR, just to design this form only it's taking time. Java code controller class is not taking time. Okay, na? Don't worry about that. Okay, na? This one only taking the time. Okay, na? TR. After then what is that? TD, right? TD. After then what is that? TD, right? TD. Okay, na? TD. This one only. So inside that, what is that? What is that? Come here, right? Employee address is there, right? Employee address. So what is that? Employee ADDRESS, employee address, right? Employee address, fine. So employee address is there. After then what is that? After then what is that? TD, one more TD we will take, right? One more TD we will take. After then what will happen? We will take the input, right? Text area, right? Text input as what is that? Input is what is that? Text area, right? TEXT, text area, right? Text area. Okay, so I'm taking what is that? Text area. After then I'm closing it also, right? Inside that one more attributes also there, right? Inside that attributes also there. What is that attribute? Calls, right? Calls. I'm taking what is that? Calls. Calls 19 I'm giving, right? Calls 19 I'm giving, right? 19 calls I'm giving the 19. After then what is that? TD. After then what is the one more attribute? One more to represent what is that? Size, right? Calls and row. We need what is that? Row also. How much row? For that I'm giving 3. Okay na, come. So here what I'm going to do now, why it's showing the error here, text area call. Okay, so no problem, leave it. If it's showing that like this, okay na, so no issue. Okay na, no issue. This is the GSP page, don't worry about that. Okay na, now let's refresh it. I'm refreshing. Okay na, so see here we got it, right? Here we got it, but the little bit the size is okay na. So what I will do now, I will increase 19. I taken, I'm taking the 22. I'm taking here what, 22. Okay na, 22. After taking the 22, what will happen? Let's refresh it. Yeah, it came on the size of the our box, right? Our box. Oh no, 22. But these things is came down, right? These things is came down. So what is the 21? I'm taking 21. Yeah, now the thing is fine, right? Things, but it's still downside the little bit space is there. So what we will do now, let's make is a this one is a 4, row as a 4, right? I'm making the row as a 4. So what we will, okay, so let's okay na, so here we will write the address. Okay na, here we will write the address. Okay now, so now another one more property is there, right? TD means TR, right? TR. Okay, so fine, now TR inside that what we are going to do now, why this one is showing that? Okay, don't worry about that, this one. Okay na, GSP page is there. Sometime if you are confident about your code, don't worry about that GSP error. Okay na, I'm confident about my code. See, we are able to see the result on the browser. Okay na, so no, don't worry about that. Okay na, sometimes GSP be having like this only. Okay na, so okay, so now, okay, so now what is that TD? Okay na, TD. Now what is that TD? We will take the TD. Inside that TD, what is that country, right? Employee country. What is that? Employee country only there, right? Employee country. Okay na, come here. Okay na, employee country, right? Employee country is there. Okay na, so after then what is that? Employee country is optional, like selection, right? So how we can write it again? TD, we will take the TD, right? TD. Inside that what we will do now, what we will do now, what we will do now, TD. Inside that we will take the how selection, right? Selection. So how we can take the select tag we will take, right? Select tag. Oh, select, right? Select tag. After then what is that? Select tag. After then what is that? Name. We will take the name tag also, right? So this is what after then what we will do now, inside that what we will close it, selection, right? So okay, this is the select box. After then what we will do now, option, right? Inside this tag what is that? Option tags are there, right? Option 1, option 2, right? One option, I'm taking the three to four country I will take, right? 3 to 4 country I will take here. Okay now, 1, 2, 3. It's a little bit look like annoying, right? Because of this error. Okay na, but that is not error. Okay na, JSP is giving some issue. Okay, you know why it's giving the error? Java encoded. Okay na, Java encoded. I'm cursed. I'm giving what? UTF-8. Java HTML, text HTML, page encoded. Set where I given. Okay, leave it, leave it. Okay na. Okay na. So okay, so now what is that option, right? Option tag we are taking, right? Option tag. Inside that option tag, what is that option tag? What we are going to take now? Just I'm taking what is that? First one is the India, INDIA, India. Another one more country. Please give the country name. Country name. US, right? US, right? US. Only US. That's it, right? Another one or two country. Please give the name. One more, Jait. America is the same. US only, right? Canada. Okay. Canada. Another one more country name we need, right? London. Okay, fine. London. Okay. These are the country name. Okay, na? These are the country name. Okay, na? I will make a capital letter. Okay, so fine. Okay, na? So this is what, this is our fields. Okay, na? This field, this is the form data. Okay, na? Come to your browser. You want to see that? Let's refresh it. Okay, na? See, this is the India, drag US, Canada, London. These things is came, right? These things is came now. So again, we have need to submit button. This field only, right? This field only, right? So this field only. Okay, so what we will do now? Another one more tr. We are again, we will take what is the tr, right? Inside the tr, what we will do now? Tr, right? Tr, inside that, what is that? Table data, right? Td. Td, we will take the td, right? Inside the td, what we will take? Input. Input, right? Type equal to submit. Input type equal to submit. Input type equal to submit, right? Input type some value, I'm giving the value, right? Now register, 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 I'm giving the name of that button is a register now. Okay na? So I give in, but one more problem is there. Okay na? So here we are getting that, right? So but register button, but here it's look like the page is not look like good, right? Not look like good. So means this register button is came in this one only, right? This register button is came inside this one. Okay, so what we will do now? What we will do now? So for that, let's, one more tag is there, right? One more tag is there. What is the tag name? What is the tag name? What is the tag name inside that, right? Call span, right? Call span, right? Call span one is there. Let's make it as a two, right? Make it a two, right? When you will make the two, then this will become total. It will cover the full. It will cover the full. See the full. Now the things is little bit good, right? Little bit good only, right? The things is little bit good. Okay, so now, okay, so let's move on. Let's move on and let's see that, right? Let's move on and let's see that. Means our farm data is came, but I said that come to what is our design. In another side, the result also it show that, right? We have need to design like that. Our result also will show the another side. Okay na? Another side. Center, no, Manjulata, intentionally I taken what? I taken this form, right? This at the time of design, because I said that what? Initially I said that our form will behave like this. Here we will fill the form and here we will get the result. Okay, now so based on this one I decide if I take the center, then where I will present this data. Okay, now. Raj, what is your doubt? Is error page is equal to true means I'm not understanding what you are thinking here. Error page also I'm not introducing and all those things. Don't think like okay now. Sometime our, if we are thinking too much now, then the things will become what? Overloaded. Overloaded. Okay na? So I'm trying to give another input, you are taking the another output, you are giving the wrong output. Okay na? Here error page is what is the true and the false. No, no. Okay na? Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, now let's move on. Yes. You are saying that something. What is that error? Oh, is error page equal to true? Is it okay, let's see that. Okay, now let's see that what is where is error page. Yeah, something you are giving the right clue. Oh, you are talking about this one, right? Is what is no is error page means what is that? Array is error page means what? Is error page means what? If any error will come in the GSP page, then that page will, by default it will show. You are it's not meaning that this error. You are not talking about this error, right? That is a different concept. Okay, now if error will come, then that page by default our container will execute. Okay, now so that is the different things. Okay. Yeah. No. That is the different concept. Okay, totally different concept. Don't think. Okay, now don't think that is if need, right? If need that things, I will only explain. Okay, now I only explain. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so now fine. So now fine. Okay, now so our GSP page is created, right? So we have need to see the result, right? So for that, what we will do now? Come here, right? Come this div tag, right? In after then, what we will do now? Come here. Okay, now after then, what we will do now? What we will do now, so for that to represent the data, already we designed the CSS, right? Already we designed the CSS. Okay. Yes, Pushpendra. How many you have need to country, those many you have need to take option. Okay na, there is no another things. Okay na. Okay na. Okay. Yeah. Okay na. So how many we will take this one, we will increase the option. Okay na, there is no in the real time also we are taking the same only. Can we use Java local? Java local is a different. Okay na, to convert these things as what, based on the region. Okay na, I said that I will explain local also. I will make this page as a local. If the Indian people will open this page based on the English or Hindi, they can open, right? If other country people, they can make local, means our local language. Okay, no, don't worry about that. Okay, don't. I don't know what you people is thinking now. Okay, now unnecessary things. Use the country picker. Yeah, country picker also there. Okay. So okay, na don't discuss. Let's complete it. Okay, na let's complete the application, and after then whatever your doubt is there after ending, because other people also there in the meeting. Okay, na don't think about based on yourself only. Like think about that another people also, right? They also having the meeting. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on, and we see that, right? So okay, so fine, now come here, right? So we have to design this one. Okay, now so if we want to design where the form is completed now. Okay, now so form is, so again what we will do now, again we will take another div, right? We will take another div. Half knowledge is dangerous. No, yaar. Here, people are working employee and they have the knowledge. It's not meaning that. Sometimes our brain is multiple concept is there, right? Satish, don't use like this word, okay? So multiple concept is there. It's not meaning that our brain is remembering each and everything every time, okay? Na? So these things happen, man, in everyone. It's not meaning that you are commenting and sometimes these things will happen with you only, okay? Okay, so no, don't use this kind of word, yeah. Dangerous knowledge, half knowledge. Okay, now we are learning every, so no one is perfect. Even if I'm explaining here, somewhere I'm also uh, means down only, right? Down only. I also something don't know. Some, so everyone having some uniqueness. Okay, now don't forget about that. Okay, let's okay. So let's move on. Let's move on. Okay. So now fine. Okay, so here what we will do now, div tag is there, right? Div tag is there. Okay, so fine. Side, right? So because of that I'm facing this one. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, now let's move on. So what is that? Div tag is there, right? Div tag is there. Inside that div tag, what will happen now? Inside this div tag, what will happen now? We will pass this one another, right? One another data for that data, right? This is the ID. We will take this one only, right? This is the ID, right? Inside this div tag, we will take ID tag, right? ID tag. After then what we will do now, we will pass it this one, okay na? Okay, so now fine, here only what we will do now, we will write all those things, okay na? So we will write these things, okay na? So for that what I can do, okay, let's take one pre tag, pre, right? Pre tag. Inside that pre tag, what is that? Employee ID, right? EMPLOY, employee ID, right? Employee ID colon colon, okay na? After then another one more is there, employee employee, what is that? Name is there, right? Now this one, okay na? Employee name. After then what is the employee employee, what is that? Employee, what is that? Password. Employee password, right? Employee password. Okay, so now what is that? Employee, what is that? Employee, what is that? Employee, what is that? Gender, right? Employee gender, okay na? Employee gender. Okay, so fine. Now another one is what? Employee gender. After then what is that? Employee address. Employee address, okay na? Employee address, employee address, right? Another one more is what is that? Employee, what is that? Employee address. After then country, right? Country, right? This is the data, right? This is our data, okay na? So after then what is that? Okay, so you want to see that how it's look like? Okay, now what we are going to do now, I'm refreshing this. Oh, hey, why it's look like this only, huh? Why? Mm, no problem, okay. Okay, 1 minute, okay na? Div, I pass the ID, right? What I'm going to do now, I'm removing this one because CSS I think I given wrong. Now refresh it. Now refresh it. Yeah. Data, right? Come to here CSS. What is what I taken? With 30%. Okay. Height. Yes. Height. I taken 200. Margin left. Margin left I taken, right? Oh, floated also. Let's take FLOT. Okay, na? Floated colon. What is that? Left. I'm taking the left. Okay, now fine. Okay, now pass it, right? Now pass inside that. What is that? Tube ID data. Now refresh the browser. Refresh the browser. Yeah, fine. As expected, we got it, right? We got it. As expected, we got it. Okay. As expected, we got it. Okay. So now, okay, na? Like how, see how I given like this, right? Like this only. Okay, na? So okay, now so fine. So fine. Now the things is going good, friend. Okay, na? The things is going good. As expected, we are going now. Okay, na? So now from here onward, real picture is I'm going to start, right? So because our farm and output things we ready now, completed, okay na? We completed it, okay na? So come to our image, right? Come to image. Based on this one, we design this form. Okay, na? So I said that, right? So based on this one, right, we have, this is the model data. So how our container will create, but we have need to create, right? We have need to create one model class, right? We have need to create one model class. See, come how form equal to model class. I wrote it, right? I wrote initially. So what we will do now, we have need to create this employee class object, right? Employee class object in the project. So let's develop that, right? Let's develop it, right? Let's develop it. So where, let's take one model class, right? New, what is that class? Okay, now package name I'm taking what, com dot rk dot, what is that, model, right? Model. Now what is that, here I'm taking, what is that, employee employee class name I'm taking employee, right? Employee. So inside that, how many attribute we decided, private, what is that, private integer, right? Private integer, emp, what is that, id, right? Emp id. Another one is what, private, what is that, string, what is that, emp name, right? Emp name, right? Emp name. Another one is what, private string, what is that, private string, what is that, come here, come input, see the input, right? Emp id, emp name, emp password, right? Emp password, right? emp pwd, right? Pwd. Okay, now pwd. After then, what is that, private string, what is that, private string, emp. Another one is what, come here, one, emp gender, right? Emp gender. Okay, now so what is the emp gender, gender, right? So after then, another one is what, come to here, right? Come here, emp gender, right? Emp address is there, right? So another one is what, private string, emp, what is that, address, addr. Just I'm taking addr, right? Addr. Another one is what, come here, another one is what, employee country is there, right? So I'm taking, what is that, private string, what is that, emp country, country, right? These are the attribute. Now I'm generating setter and getter, alt shift s plus r, right? So select all. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Select all. Now I generated, right? I generated setter and getter. Alt shift s plus s. I'm generating the two string also, right? This is the model data. I'm generating the two string also. Okay, fine. So no need two string, no need. Okay, now why we are just I'm removing this one. Okay. So two string, no need. Okay. So this is the model data, right? We created. So okay, now so do one more thing. So, okay, alt shift s plus r, right? Alt shift generate the alt shift s plus r, zero param constructor also, alt shift s plus o.